Learning how to script in Roblox part 18. In this video I made a group chest that you can claim to get rewards. In the workspace I've added this model for the group chest, and inside of this model here we have the model for the group chest, and then here we have the pad that's under the group chest, and then here we have the indicator with a billboard UI inside of it. So here we just show the text, so group chest, join the group to claim. And then here we have the touch part, so when this part is touched, the chest will be claimed. Here we have the local script for the group chest. So the first thing that happens is we look for the initial status of the player. So we do get status event invoke server. And then here in the server script, when the player joins the game, we check if the player is inside of the group. And then we run the update group chest function in the data manager, and else we return end. So here we have the update group chest function, and then here we calculate the difference between the last time that the player has claimed the group chest and the current time. So both of these are in seconds. So if the difference is more than 100, or so more than 100 seconds, then yield times group of the player is equal to true, so they can claim the chest, and else the yield times group of the player is set to the last claim time group, and then else if the player is not in the group, we set it to false, and then we return that back to the server script, and then here we return the yield times group back to the local script. So then we get the initial status, and then at the end of the local script we check if the initial status is a number, so the player is in the group but they still have to wait before they can claim it. Then we start the countdown function with the initial status, is with the time that is left until the player can claim the chest. And then else if the initial status is true, then we run the can claim chest function, and else if initial status is false, they are not in the group, so we run the not in group function. I split this video up into two parts because otherwise the video would be too long, and part 2 will be uploaded tomorrow.